Yes, cancer can be hereditary. There was a time when we used to understand very little of hereditary, and we used to say that hereditary cancer account for 1%, 2% of total cancers. Our understanding of hereditary cancers have changed. Why? Because doing a gene sequencing to see whether you are carrying the genes from your ancestors or not has become easier and has become more available, and has become also more cheaper. There was a time when DNA sequencing was costly, not available, and difficult to do, and lengthy process, and not very perfect process. Now we have many labs which can do it for us. The cost of doing a gene sequencing is about 15,000 to 30,000 rupees. So it has appeared to us that especially certain cancers such as breast cancer, which accounts for almost 20 to 30% cancers that India sees, ovarian cancer, which accounts for another 5 to 10% that cancers that India sees, pancreatic cancers, uterine cancers, and large intestine cancers, which accounts for total 30 to 35% of total cancers that India sees, has a hereditary link. For example, in breast cancer, one can say that about 15% of total breast cancers can be hereditary. For ovarian cancer, around 20% of total ovarian cancers can be hereditary. And in pancreatic cancer, about 5% can be hereditary, and in prostate cancer, about 15% can be hereditary. So, this is becoming very important, and from a general awareness standpoint, now most patients who are coming to us, we are asking for the hereditary panel to be done. For this, you have to give just saliva, and the gene sequencing can be done in the cells in the saliva or a simple blood test. You got to pay around 20,000 to 25,000 rupees for it. And if you have a hereditary cancer, we can not only protect you better, we can also protect the next generation who is not affected still better. For example, a person who has got a hereditary prostate cancer, we will advise the next generation to start PSA screening, which is a simple blood test to be done once in a year starting from the age of 45 years. Whereas for general public, we do it after the age of 60 years. So the moment we detect the PSA is rising, we can cure it. For breast, if you are detected with a breast hereditary cancer, or then we can protect the next generation by doing early screening for breast cancer, and also advising prophylactic mastectomy, that is removal of the breast and artificially recreating the breast, and doing a nipple sparing surgery so that your sexuality is not affected, but you can prevent breast cancer. Ovarian cancer, 20% ovarian cancers can be hereditary, and we can protect the next generation by removing the ovaries after the childbirth has happened. That is, at the age of around 40 years, we can remove the ovaries so that you don't get cancer. This gives you almost 99% protection from having ovarian cancer. A very living example of this is Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie never had cancer. She got both the breasts removed and later both the ovaries removed to prevent cancer, because she had an 85% chance of developing breast and ovarian cancer in her life.